In today's video, I'll be showing you the fastest way to blow a $1 account, okay? Yeah, so in this video, I'll be doing a couple of actions that will lead to me blowing this account, right? And I'll be showing you how you do this and why it leads to you blowing your account. Now, most people, when they have $1, they tend to do this. So they'll just come first of all to look for a less risky market, like matches and differs. So they will come and select, let's say, matches and differs. Now, obviously, they will not trade matches, most of us, because matches is quite risky and you don't want to blow the account. Now, what they will do is they'll come here. All right, let me show you. And then they put 1.27. All right. Now, they'll put the whole account because they see that when I put 0.35, I'll get 0.02. So I'll not grow it fast. All right. So when they come here, they look for a market that favors matches. As you can see, this one is not favoring matches, so we'll just come and look for a market that at least favors matches. I want to show you how you can actually, okay, like this. They'll just come here, they'll select the differs number as 2, all right, and they'll risk the entire thing. Now, let me show you. So when I press differs, all right, as you can see, and that is how you blow your $1.27 account. You might be wondering, what has just happened? First of all, the one mistake I've done, I've risked 1.27, which is my entire, that is full margin. All right? The other thing, I have not timed correctly. Okay? Yes, I've pressed differs on it to zone 2, but as you can see, it lagged a bit. So that is also a mistake. So as a trader, even if you have a small account, even if it is 0.96, never risk the entire account. I repeat, even if you have a small account in Deriv, never risk the entire account. Again, ensure you implement the proper strategy. I did not even do any good analysis of this market. I just entered. I saw it somehow favors differs, and I entered. And as you can see, that is a loss. All right. So the fastest way you can blow a $1 account is entering full margin, not having mastered your strategy correctly, and entering using the wrong entry point and not doing proper analysis. All right. Ensure before you trade, you do proper analysis of all the markets so that you see the one that suits you, and then you proceed and trade, and do not use full margin. If you have a 1.27, use 0.35, which is the least. Okay, but be very careful. Or if you have $1 and you want to trade, don't trade. All right, just give yourself a time to save up and then trade when you have from $10 to 100, so that your work can be easier. So that in case even you incur one loss, you can be able to recover. Because with 1.27, when you incur 2 losses with 0.35, your account is done. So ensure you never use full margin. I'm telling you, never use, even if your account is 0.56, never use your full margin. Okay, and that is how I've blown my $1 account in less than 2 seconds. Okay, I've always wanted to show this to traders, and that is why I decided to withdraw so that I can show you at least with $1 how you can blow it extremely quickly. Okay, I hope you learn from this, guys. I hope you correct yourselves. I hope you implement the proper strategies, and show you learn enough and show you practice enough to avoid these kinds of errors. All right. Otherwise, guys, I appreciate your effort watching this video till the end. Ensure you share to anyone who you know is trading in Deriv so that they don't miss out. And please ensure you like and subscribe so that we reach out to more individuals. If you need amazing bots, I'll give you more than 100 bots and more than 100 documents. WhatsApp me right now to get those materials. Otherwise, guys, I appreciate you watching. Watching until the end. And let us meet in the next one.